If your engine's off, it's quite normal to feel a change in the feel of the brake pedal when you push it down. You might feel that you can push the pedal all the way to the floor with very little resistance. This is normal. When the engine is running, a servo, which acts as a kind of brake booster, is used to help increase the force you're applying and reduce the pedal effort you need to operate the brakes. When the engine is running, if you still feel a loss in pedal pressure and you feel that you need to push harder to get the same braking effect, it could be that some of the brake fluid has been lost from the braking system. This could be from a leak and must be investigated straight away. It could also be a problem with the fluid itself and its ability to transfer the pressure that you apply to the brake pedal and then onto the brakes, making slowing down more difficult. The fluid may have deteriorated. This happens over time, or it could be that it's become contaminated. Either way, you need to take action to fix this. I recommend that you should not drive your vehicle. You should always be confident that your brakes are operating safely. And if in doubt, ask your trusted mechanic to investigate the problem and advise what work needs to be done.